So let me show you how I was able to catch this 1:11 risk reward ratio on gold right here. You can see that we had a nice drop based rally with a break of structure to the upside, and then we had the market retracing all the way to our area before we push to the upside. But let me show you before all this happened right here. So you can see that we actually able to take this particular trade from here right here. So we had a nice drop based rally, break of structure, and actually before all this, you can see that the market initially took out the Asian session and then pushed to the upside. So this was more like a re-entry because the first one to be touched was this. The market pushed to the upside and then retraced coming into this POI, and they were able to take advantage of this particular trade. And you can see that these were my entries, and people were actually able to enter this trade over 60 people right here. You can see that the market continued to go in our direction. As you can see from here, the market has kept on pushing. We kept on trading our stop loss to actually in profit right here, and then eventually the market came all the way to right here, and then now I was able to instruct the community to actually get out of this particular trade right here. Why? Because you can see that the market kind of reacted from this zone, and this is the zone where I want to sell from. I want to sell from, and you can see that the market has decided to react before actually coming to this area. Perhaps it's reacting from this whole zone right here, which would actually make sense. You can see that the market has already reacted from here right now. So this is what happened. Now let me show you exactly the zone where the market reacted from initially. You can see that the market initially reacted from this particular zone right here. This is where the initial reaction was. And when I saw this reaction from here, and this happened after the Asian low was taken out, which is right here. The Asian low was taken out, the market reacted to the upside. Okay, and then guess what? I waited for the market to retrace back into this zone right here. And then once this happened, I was able to actually take this particular trade to the upside by taking it from here all the way to where we are right now. And guess what? Right now we're waiting for the market to actually give us a confirmed sell signal before we can actually execute. Hi, Mama. My daughter wants to say hi. Say hi, Mama. Say hi, guys. Say hi. Hi. Yeah. So right now, I'm waiting for markets to actually react from this. So right now, the market has already reacted from this zone right here. This big zone right here. Now we don't know if that's a final reaction or not, because this has already the Asian high has already been taken out, and right now anything can happen. Really, anything can happen. So that's the reason why I've instructed the community to actually exit this particular trade, because right now this move can continue to go to the downside, or it can trace all the way back here before we can see a big drop right here. The reason why I think the market might continue to go to the downside is because the high of the Asian session has been taken out already. So there's no reason why the market should continue to go to the upside. Okay, so that's my analysis. That's my thesis. And the reason why I'm looking for selling opportunities is this right here. You can see that we actually caught this sell this week. We caught this sell by selling from this area, and then the market also created now a rally based drop, right, which broke structure. And then guess what? We also have liquidity right here. And guess what? The Asian high has already been taken out. And I'm just waiting for the markets to come to this zone right here. And once the market comes to this area somewhere there, I'll be able to actually sell. And therefore, this would have been invalid. And then I would be looking for something like this, right? I'll be looking for something like this. So somewhere here is where I'm expecting the market to come to before I can think of actually selling. Okay, as it is right now, you can see that the market has already reacted from this zone. So this whole zone here is at a premium. So this is how you do it, right? You get your Fibonacci retracement to and get from the high to the low. You can see that all this gray zone here is a premium area, and that's why the market has already reacted to. So two things can happen. The market is either the market is going to continue to push the downside, or we're going to see a retracement into that area right there. That we cannot know. Therefore, we just wait. Okay, that's the reason why we're just going to wait and see how the market reacts from these zones right here. Okay, that's how it's going to be right now. We're just going to wait to see how the market will respond from this area right here, whether we're going to have a retracement back into this POI or we're going to push it downside. Either way, we got a nice 1 to 10 risk reward ratio, and that's actually very, very good. And yeah, so like I've showed you, everything was shared step by step in our premium signals community. And if you'd like to join us, there'll be links down in the description. All right, so see you, and I wish you all the very best.